Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
I wanted to ask one doubt.
What?
Sir, I wanted to ask one doubt.
What doubts? Tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, in that first motion Kahoot, there was a question. The wheels of a car which is going in a straight path are undergoing which type of motion? Sir, there were two options in that question, rectilinear and circular. Sir,
Yes.
first I thought since the road is straight in shape, the answer should be rectilinear. But now I think whatever be the shape of the road, since the wheels are circular in shape, the answer should be circular.
Answer
Sir,
circle.
which one is the correct answer, sir?
Answer circle only now because right circular because see as you said right, doesn't matter whatever the shape of road would be. What will be the motion of tires if someone see the tires, right? Anna,
Sir. Yes, sir.
what would be the motion of tires?
Sir,
Circular.
circular motion.
Circular.
Anna,
Sir, can it be rotational motion because it has an axle?
rotational motion also. So we have two kind of motion, rotational motion, right? Okay. See again, yeah, but see again it depends on what you are seeing. Okay, right? Which point you are seeing actually. So it is not as easy as it seems. Okay, because when you say na, there's something called translational motion, right? And if you
Yes,
remember,
sir.
that linear motion is also called as translational motion. So you're not wrong. There might be translational motion also. Okay, but we don't have to think for that for now. Okay, yeah, because it will be too confusing for you guys.
Sir, then should we not consider the shape of the road and we have to consider only the wheels?
Yes, because the question is what is the motion of the wheel, not the car, है ना?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Is that answer circular motion and rotational motion?
Okay. Right. So it is 7:32. We will start. Okay. Yes, you guys are muted. And host everyone. Okay. So we will start the topic, right? We will start the topic which we will basically continue the topic that we started in last class, right? Good evening, Yudi. So I hope all of you remember that which topic we were studying in last class. That was motion. Ayana, tell me. That was motion, right? That was in physics, Anna, right? So we talked about what? We talked about different type of physical quantities. I hope all of you remember. The last concept that we studied was what is scalar, what is vector. Hi, Anna. Right? I told you that, okay, we just have to know, okay, we just have to know that what are the different type of physical quantities. Okay, right? Okay. So today we will actually try to understand the motion. Okay, today we will actually try to understand the motion. Now, when you talk about the first thing in motion we studied, that's there's something called position. Hi, Anna. Pratik, no issues, right? First focus, I'll explain. Don't worry, I'll explain. Okay, with the example, I'll explain. Okay. Good evening, Mrudula. Okay, so now when we talk about motion, it is basically changing position. Yes or no? हाथ हलना, जो भी हो हाथ हलना. Yes बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just have to raise your hand. That's it. Okay, right? Okay, change in position. So my question would be, think about it. My question would be, suppose you want to buy suppose you want to buy nariyal pani, right? Suppose you want to buy a wait, I'll explain everything, right? Let me complete first now. Okay, suppose you want to buy a nariyal pani, right? So where you will go? Tell me where you will go from your home. You'll go to your shopping complex, right? Shop, yes or no? Right? Let us try to understand the concept first. Okay, so this is your home, right? This is your home, and from home you will go. Tell me, you will go to shopping complex, right? You will go to shop. Agree? Ayana. Ayana. But obviously to the vendor means to shop. Okay. So suppose this is point A and this is point B. Now from your home to shop, there might be different ways. Ayana. Right? There might be different path. Agree? So एक path suppose, right? स्कूल से होता हुआ एक पाथ सपोज राइट स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स से होता हुआ एक पाथ सपोज लेक साइड से होता हुआ दिस इज पाथ 1 दिस इज पाथ 2 दिस इज पाथ 3 हाँ या ना टेल मी राइट ऑल ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग दिस डोंट वरी जिया डोंट वरी आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन ठीक है राइट डोंट वरी बट फोकस हियर फर्स्ट राइट आई विल एक्सप्लेन विद एग्जांपल बेटर एग्जांपल टेल मी दिस इज क्लियर हाँ या ना राइट so this is path 1, this is path 2, this is path 3. Now there might be one more path, hai na? Depending on from where you are going, there might be one more path. Suppose this is path 4. Now tell me, right? If I ask you which is the longer path, tell me which path is the longest. Tell me which path is the longest. Path 4 is the longest, right?
Path 4, sir.
Which is the shortest one?
Part 2. Part 2.
Here I'm saying the term longest, shortest, right? But when you talk about physics term, right? When you talk about the term in physics, it is basically the length, right? Yes or no? Length of the path taken. Length of the path taken, yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So obviously
Yes,
you can't just say, no, sir, length of the path taken. It's a very big term, right? So I have to assign some term to that. मुझे इसको कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा, है ना? Right? है ना? How can I say, for example, right? We have every term associated with some definition, right? So I can say, sir, path 3, path 4, path 2, path 1, all are the paths, right? From A to B, है ना? And the length of the path, remember, length of the path is different. So ये length of the path को मैं बोलूँगा क्या? What is the basic meaning of length of the path? Sir, length of the path taken is basically called as distance. अब समझ में आया? आया ना? Right? Yes or no? Right? समझ में आया कि नहीं? Distance. So length.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now एक चीज बताओ, length of the path जो है, length of the path, right? It is just the length. So doesn't matter, right? Where you go, which path you take, doesn't matter which path you take. All the path will be having some distance. हाँ या ना? Tell me, right? P1 का भी कुछ distance होगा, P2 का भी कुछ distance, P3 में भी कुछ distance होगा, P4 में कुछ distance, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? है ना? So can I say, sir, length actually do not depend, or basically, right? है ना? So yes, clear, right? So length is basically the path of the length. Sorry, distance is basically the length of the path, irrespective of the direction. हाँ है ना? Direction चाहे कोई भी लो, चाहे कोई भी लो तुम, ठीक है? तुम चाहे तुम P4 लो, P3 लो, P2 लो, P1 लो, सबका length को हम direct क्या बोलेंगे? Distance बोलेंगे. We will call every length as distance. Distance will change, right? Length will change, but it will be called as distance. Ayana.
Yes, sir.
Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
So let us see this distance. So can I say, suppose this P1 is like 15 meter. ठीक है, 15 meter. This is your 10 meter. This is your 20 meter. And this is your 25 meter. So tell me, what is the distance of path 1? Distance of path 1 is what?
15 meters.
10 meter, right? Na, ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is getting this easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is
Yes,
this?
sir.
What is this 15? What is this 10? What is this 20? What is this 25? ये है क्या?
Distance.
Distance, sir.
है ना, ये value है ना?
Value.
है ना? Yes or no? It is the value of the distance, right? So I can say that P1 का जो distance, that is your 15 meter. So this is your value. हाँ या ना? This term is your
Yes, sir. Yes,
value.
Sir,
This
magnitude.
meter is your unit. Yes or no? So this value is called as Kaya.
Magnitude.
Yes.
Magnitude.
Clear hai? Anyone is having doubt now? What is magnitude?
No, sir.
Right?
No, sir.
It's a value. Okay. Now, tell me. Whenever I'm talking about distance, am I saying that it is going in north, it is going in south? No, right? No, because it is just the length, right? Doesn't matter where it goes. Doesn't matter in which direction it goes, right? I'll just calculate the length. Yes or no? Ayana. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Right?
Yes,
So I
sir.
can talk about distance. When you talk about distance, sir, either it is going in this direction, or you are going in this direction, or you are going in straight line, or you're going in this direction. I don't care. I just need the value. I just need the length. Right? Okay. Acha, right? Yes, they are direction, but lengthwise, right? I just want the length, ना? मैं जब यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे कि what is the distance covered in P4, right? I'm asking you, what is the distance covered in P4? You're just saying, sir, 25 meter, na? Are you saying
Yes.
that, sir, it is 25 meter in north, 25 meter in south? Tell me.
No, sir.
No. No.
Right?
25 meter. No, sir.
5 meter. Hi,
Sir.
yeah. Acha, you are getting, Ananya, you are getting now, right?
Yes, sir.
Anna, so I can say, sir, since I just need magnitude value here, right? So what is a physical quantity which have only magnitude? Tell me.
Scalar quantity.
Yes or no? है ना? So I can say, sir, distance is a scalar quantity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Distance is a
Yes, sir.
scalar quantity.
Yes, sir.
अब समझ में आया, Jia? Tell me. Now I'll explain with examples, right? It is better to explain with examples, right?
Sir, can you again explain magnitude?
See, magnitude is basically the value, right? When you go to shopkeeper, you say, give me 1 kg, right? Suppose you should say, give me 1 kg kaju katli, right? So what is this one? What is this one? One is the value.
Magnitude.
Okay, right?
Magnitude.
Any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Distance is basically, okay, very good. Distance is basically, tell me. Distance is basically,
Scalar quantity.
yes,
Scalar quantity.
Land quantity.
Let us see one concept check, right? Let us see one concept check. Okay, suppose I started or someone started from this point. Okay, someone started from this point. Everyone, step by step, he moved some distance over here. Okay, everyone, think about it, right? Some distance in this direction. Very simple, very simple. Okay, I'll tell you what is this distance. Don't worry. Some distance in this direction. Okay, then again some distance in this direction. Okay. Okay, right? So this is point A, this is point B. This distance, suppose 5 meter. This is also 5 meter. This is 10 meter. This is also 10 meter. Now tell me, what is the length? What is the distance between? Everyone will message. Everyone will message. Distance between A and B. Step by step. Everyone will message. I hope everyone know addition. Very good, Gautam. Very good, Ananya. Gaudish, no Gaudish. Check. Very good. Shreya, no Shreya. Addition. Shreya, addition, right? So I said, it is the total length. So I'll just write it like this. Say this is, right? Suppose this is C, this is D, this is E. So I can say, sir, total length, step by step, total length. Total length is what? Tell me. So total length will be what? A to C plus C to D plus D to E plus E to B. हाँ या ना? Tell me, yes or no? That is the total length, na? Agree? Right? Agree? So this is what? So it is 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 30. And unit is what? What is the unit? Tell me, what is the unit?
Centimeter.
Meter,
The
na? It is
meter.
Yes, meter.
Ah.
So unit is meter. Clear hai?
Meter, sir.
Everyone got this? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
Okay. Now, let us talk about unit of distance, right? Next heading is,
So here the 30 meter means the 30 is the magnitude, no sir?
yes, 30 is the magnitude, right? 30 is the value, no? 30 is the magnitude, and meter is the unit.
There is an
Right?
unit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let us see units of length. It is not just the distance, it is the unit of length. है ना? Because see, not all length can be called as distance. हाँ या ना? Tell me. Not all length will be called as distance. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Now you should remember this. There's a one notation, right? We call it as shortcut notation. It is called as this: K H D M D C M. Right? अब ये क्या है सर? What is this K H D M D C M? ठीक है? सबको ध्यान देना. सबको ध्यान देना. Suppose this is what. Wait, this is meter.
Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter,
Very good. So this is meter. Meter
centimeter,
हो गया.
millimeter.
Yes.
Decameter,
Sir, kilometer, hectometer, decimeter,
decameter,
meter,
decameter, centimeter,
Guys,
decimeter,
hectometer,
kilo, hecto, deca,
Deca centimeter.
millimeter.
okay. Right? हो गया, सब शांत हो गया. ठीक है? Now my question is, message करो सबको, एक message करो. This is, you know, this is deca, this is deci, this is centi, this is milli. Right? What are these? ये है क्या? है क्या ये? Tell me, what is kilo? What is hectare? What is? I'm not using meter. What is this? What is the? Tell me, kilo, hectare, क्या ये सब? Units. Okay, people are saying unit. Now suppose you go to a shopkeeper, right? You go to a shopkeeper, okay, and you ask, right? Bhaiya, give me 1 kilo of potato, right? Suppose, right? See, think about it. Okay, you go to a shopkeeper and ask, right? Bhaiya, give me a 1 kilo potato, 1 kilo potato, right? What he does, he give you one big bag of potatoes. He give you a big bag of potatoes, right? Big bag full of potatoes, and ask you, okay, now pay 1,000 rupees. Now tell me, think about it. Okay. Now, who is wrong here, right? You go and ask that bhaiya give me 1 kilo potatoes. He give you one full bag of potatoes. Now tell me, who is wrong? You, right? You did mistake or the shopkeeper did mistake? Yes, very good. You guys did mistake. Yes or no? Not Pihan, not shopkeeper, because kilo is not a unit. Remember, kilo is not a unit, right? ठीक है, ध्यान दो. Kilo is not a unit. That's what I'm saying. Kilo, hectare, deci, they're not the unit. They're not the unit, right? What are they, sir? What are they, sir? They are called as multipliers. Multipliers. Yes or no? They are called as multipliers, right? Yes or no? Tell me. Right? For example, right? Do you know any other multiplier? Tell me. Do you know any other multiplier? Right? Yes, it is 1 kg, 1 kilogram. kilogram. Now, if you put 1 kilogram, then it becomes a unit. Tell me. If you say 1 kilogram, then it becomes a unit, right? Otherwise, 1 kilo is just 1,000. That's it. 1 kilo. The meaning of 1 kilo is 1,000. Okay, this is a multiplier. Okay, yes, multiples and submultiples. Very good. So, see, kilo, when you talk about kilo, kilo is just 1,000. That's it. If you're saying 1 kilo, it means 1,000. Hecta is 100. Deca is 10. Now this is 1. This is 1 because I'm taking meter as reference, right? This is 1 by 10. Deci. Deci means 1 by 10. Centi means 1 by 100. Milli means 1 by 1000. Right? Now after this, there's something called micro. Micro. And after this, something called mega, capital M. So micro is 1 by 60. 60, right? And mega is 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 means, ठीक है, 60, यहाँ भी 60, right? That is your mega. Giga भी नहीं बात करेंगे, ठीक है, right? अभी just ये यहाँ तक करते हैं, समझ में आया सब कुछ? So these are the multipliers. They are the multipliers. Now, have we right heard any other multiplier? Tell me, right? है ना, mega power. Yes, so mega is a multiplier. Mega, micro, pico. Very good, Dhruv. Yotta, yokto. But we will not be talking about those. We will be using these only. Okay? Have we heard any other multiplier? Tell me. We use it. We use daily. Ton. Okay. Ton. Right? Okay. 10 is also like, right? Giga, nano. Okay. Apart from that we use in our daily life. Tell me. Tell me. No, liter is a unit. Liter is a unit, Nabeen. Liter is a unit. How many of you heard of how many of you heard of something called this? Dozen, right? I'm just writing wrong spelling, I guess. Dozen, right? It is dozen, right? Anna, 12. Yes or no? Hi, Anna, right? Right? Anna, right? They are एक दर्जन अंडे दे दो, 2 दर्जन अंडे दे दो, right? So this is also a multiplier, na? It is dozen. Yes, dozen. Sorry, spelling is, I don't know. I'm horrible at spelling. Okay, I'm spelling horrible at spelling, right? So this dozen means 12. Okay, right? Yes or no? Yes. So it is also multiply. It is also multiplier. Multiply is basically the number. Okay, right? Right. So I hope all of you remember the units. So I can say, sir, 1 centimeter. This all of you know, right? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter or 1000 millimeter, right? ये सब पता है ना हमको? ये सब पता है? This are the fundamental. We should know this. ठीक है? Yes, right? Unit is meter, right? Unit is meter. ठीक है? This is centimeter. Centi is the multiplier. Meter is unit. है ना? So unit of length. Would be what? Meter, centimeter, right? Meter लग गया यहाँ पे. Then millimeter, kilometer, है ना? These all will become the unit of, tell me, this all will become unit of length. ठीक है? Got it, everyone? Kartikeya, got it? Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Yes? Okay, chalo. Very good, very good. Okay. Now, there's one small mathematical term. ठीक है? Right angle triangle क्या होता है पता है सबको क्या? Tell me. I hope all of you know what is a right angle triangle. Everyone know what is a right angle triangle? Tell me. Everyone know what is a right angle triangle? Yes? Yes? So suppose I'm having a right angle triangle like this. है ना? Yes, very good. Everyone know what right angle triangle. ठीक है? So this is a prerequisite. एक चीज हमें पता होनी चाहिए. देखते हैं हम लोग. So this is your right angle triangle. Everyone, focus over here. Right? ये right angle triangle है. I guess everyone know this. So there's a note. This is a special note, right? Maths का थोड़ा सा concept है जो हमें पता होना चाहिए. So this is note concept, right? prerequisite concept of math जो मुझे पता होना चाहिए, है ना? Right? Now, they triangle, this is A, this is B, this is C. So I hope all of you know these things. That triangle have three sides, yes or no? Triangle have three sides, three angles, है ना? Right angle triangle, yes. So this is your 90 degree, this is your 90 degree, हाँ या ना? This is 90 degree. Okay. Now, everyone, please listen. This is important. Some of you might know this, some of you don't know this, right? So it is very important. Remember this. Now, this is 90. This is some angle, है ना? This is some angle. I don't know what is this angle is. ठीक है? I don't know what is this angle is, right? So I just say it is x. The angle is x. ठीक है? I don't know what's the angle. I just assign some variable x. ठीक है? हाँ या ना? Tell me, yes or no? Acute angle, yes. Acute angle, everyone know that, right? But this is the angle. Now, which side is opposite to x? Tell me, which side is opposite to x? Tell me. My question is, sir, which side is opposite to x? Which side is opposite to x? Tell me. Side is opposite to x. Opposite to x. X angle के opposite में कौन सा side है? Everyone, yes, correct, right? It is BC. हाँ है ना? It is BC, right? Yes or no? ठीक है? Right? It is BC. X के opposite, X के सामने, X के opposite means X के सामने, है ना? बोलते मेरे घर के opposite ये लोग रहता है, तो घर के सामने बोलते हैं ना? Yes or no? So I can say it is BC. Yes or no? BC. It is BC. Agree? Agree, everyone? BC, है ना? Now, right? X के साथ कौन सा साइड है? X के right साथ कौन साइड है? Tell me. Right? This is AB and AC. हाँ या ना? AB and AC. Right? Now think about it. There's a term, right? जैसे हम लोग नाम रखते हैं ना, वैसे there's some terms. So opposite, right, of any angle. अब हम इसको angle लेते हैं. So opposite BC है ना? BC है ना? So this is called as perpendicular. It is called as perpendicular. Right? It is called as perpendicular. ठीक है? हाँ या ना? Right? So BC is called as perpendicular. Perpendicular. Right? जो सीधा है, opposite, सीधा, right? That's your perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree, है ना? I hope how many of you know this? Perpendicular. Yes, perpendicular lines है ना? 90 degree पे जो होता है. ठीक है? Right? Now, what is AB called? What is AB called? AB. अब बताओ, AB जो है वो ये एंगल और 90 डिग्री के बीच में है, हाँ या ना? AB is between this x and 90 degree. Yes or no? Right? So AB को भी कुछ कहते होंगे ना? AB का भी कुछ नाम होगा. AB को क्यों छोड़ देंगे? बेचारा AB भी तो, AB की भी तो फीलिंग्स होगी, right? AB का भी कुछ नाम रखेंगे ना? Right? Yes, Karthikeya, very good. So AB is called as, tell me. अब ये क्या है? ये जमीन पे सोया हुआ है, लेटा हुआ है एकदम, है ना? Tell me, yes or no? ये लेटा हुआ है एकदम बेस की तरह, right? So this is called as base, right? है ना? Base, 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 right? सोया हुआ जो है, सोया हुआ लाइन is your base, ठीक है? सोया हुआ लाइन is base, खड़ा लाइन your perpendicular, ठीक है? हाँ है ना? Right? Adjacent और base, ठीक है? So I can say, right? Again, but adjacent तो ये भी है ना? Right? So it is like सोया हुआ लाइन is your base, straight line, खड़ा लाइन is your, ठीक है ना? अब बताओ AC. अब तो बहुत, राइट, जुल्म हो जाएगा. मैंने AB का नाम रख दिया, BC का नाम रख दिया, AC का भी तो नाम रखना चाहिए, राइट? नो माधवा, AC का नाम नहीं होता बाइसेक्टर, तो AC का भी नाम होता है. और AC का नाम जो है वो काफी ज्यादा, राइट, टंग ट्विस्टर टाइप है, ठीक है? टंग ट्विस्टर टाइप है, राइट? तो देखते हैं AC का नाम क्या है. एवरीवन, लेट अस सी. सो AC. अब AC भाई साहब सबसे बड़े हैं, हाँ या ना? टेल मी. सबसे बड़े हैं, नाम भी बड़ा होना चाहिए, राइट? है कि नहीं? AC सबसे बड़ा है कि नहीं? AC is this AC is this, right? सबसे बड़ा, हाँ है ना? Can you see sir? AC सबसे बड़ा होगा सर, सबसे बड़ा भाई. AB, BC दोनों में कोई बड़ा छोटा हो सकता है, बट AC सबसे बड़ा रहेगा. Yes or no? AC is the biggest one, right? So AC जो सबसे बड़ा है और 90 डिग्री अपोजिट है, AC is always right opposite or side opposite to 90 degree, side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse or hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. Okay, समझ में आया अनन्या? right? Hypotenuse, right? है ना? ठीक है? yes श्रेया, correct. ठीक है, इट इज अ नेम, हैप्पीनेस इज अ नेम, नाम रखा गया मैंने नाम रखा है, नामकरण किया है मैंने, ठीक है? यस और नो, टेल मी यस और नो, राइट? नाम समझ में आया सबको? हैप्पीनेस नाम है, जो ये एसी लेंथ, एसी जो है ना, एसी साइड का नाम है हैप्पीनेस, ठीक है? राइट? हमने बोला सर जो सोया हुआ लाइन है, सोया हुआ लाइन, उसका नाम मैंने रख दिया बेस, बेस। सर जो खड़ा लाइन है उसका नाम रख दिया मैंने परपेंडिकुलर, और जो टेल मी जो लेटा हुआ लाइन है ना, ठीक है? राइट? जो स्लैंटेड लाइन है, स्लैंटेड लाइन, दिस स्लैंटेड लाइन आई कॉल इट एज हाइपोटेन्यूज, स्लैंटेड लाइन इज हाइपोटेनस, हाइपोटेन्यूज, राइट? ठीक है, बट एंगल मैंने डिफरेंस किया इसको, एंगल इज no no निशिता, this is not like this is just right, it is जिसने रखा रख दिया है ना, hypotenuse, right? Or hypotenuse, it is just why. Swati, why your name is Swati? Tell me. Okay, it is Shreya. Okay, because in your name it is Shreya, that's why. Tell me Swati, why your name is Swati? Someone kept it na, mummy papa ne rakh diya sir, right? Very good Jia. Yes, hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? So I guess this is clear, this is clear. हाँ या ना? हम लोग इस पूरा चैप्टर मैथ्स में पढ़ेंगे, बट why we studied this now? Because सर हमें एक काम है इससे, हमें इससे काम है ना। अब बताओ ये तीनों जो भाई हैं, तीनों बेस परपेंडिकुलर हाइपोटेन्यूज, तीनों भाई हैं, तीनों भाई में कोई ना कोई रिलेशन तो होगा ना, टेल मी, दे मस्ट बी हैविंग सम रिलेशनशिप। एग्जैक्टली अनन्या, दैट्स व्हाई सो हाइपोटेन्यूज जिसने आविष्कार किया होगा उसने रख दिया है कि नहीं? अगर if I would have discovered this, I would have kept it like suppose Hulk, then you would have been studying that okay, this line AC is called as Hulk, ठीक है? CB is perpendicular, है ना? So if I would have named it CB is equal to Iron Man, you would have been studying this CB is your Iron Man, yes or no? Right? It's just that someone who discovered, they kept it, right? The authority was there, जो नाम रखना है रखो, ठीक है ना? That's a name, and name is very subjective, right? We can just keep whatever we want, है ना? ठीक है? If I'm discovering something, ठीक है? Right? So there's no point in asking, sir, right? है ना? No point in asking, sir, why its name is there. Okay. No, that Dhruv, that we will talk in triangle. अभी जो मुझे relationship चाहिए ना, मुझे relationship चाहिए. अब बताओ, can I say, sir, hypotenuse is equal to base plus perpendicular? Can I say this? Tell me, can I say this? Common sense. Hypotenuse is equal to base plus perpendicular. Srijit, wait, Srijit, आज शायद काउंट नहीं हो पाया because आज बहुत कुछ complete करना है. Can I say this? Tell me, can I say this? Hypotenuse is equal to base plus. No, right? Very good. No. Sir, no, big no. है ना? No, sir, no. This is paap, sir. This is paap. Right? This is sin. Yes or no? This is sin. Right? This is wrong. We should never write this. Right? Sir, how can we relate then? If it is paap, then how can I relate? There's a relationship, right? There's a relationship which is again given by a scientist, right? Or mathematician. The name of that mathematician was, again, when you talk about the name, right, it is always not easy. It is, the name of the scientist was Pythagoras. Okay, so he basically gave the relationship, right, between these three brothers. H means hypotenuse, B means base, P means perpendicular. Now this is just a representation, na? So he said, okay, boss, if you're having a right angle triangle, right, So I can relate all the sides. I can relate the length of all the sides by this relationship, which is hypotenuse square h square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Right? How we get it? Sir, it is observation. Observation and experimentation and experiment. Right? ठीक है ना? कभी कभी अंगूर खट्टे आ जाते हैं ना, टेल मी, राइट? है ना? कभी कभी, think about it, when sometimes, right, when we buy something, suppose grapes, sometimes grapes are sour, right? Sometimes grapes are very sweet, है ना? So how we come to know that these grapes are sweet, these grapes are sour? Can I just see and tell you that this grapes are sour, these grapes are sweet? No, na. You have to taste it, right? You have to taste it, yes or no, right? After testing, you have to observe, right? So that is the experimentation, hi, na? Yes or no? After eating, right? That's the experimentation. Now, have you imagined that we have so many things around us that we can eat, right? Hi, Anna. But do you think that everyone right from the start knew that okay, we can eat this? No, na. They might have tasted it, right? And they might have tasted, okay, I'm surviving, right? This tastes good, okay, we can eat it, right? And some fruits, that some wild fruits, okay, it is not tasting good, we should not eat it. Now, I'll give you one example. I'll give you one example of such fruit that we can eat, but it is not sold, right? It is not tasty. How many of you know about neem? Neem, you know, right? Neem ka ped. I guess everyone knows this neem. Yes or no? Tell me. Neem, you know, everyone know neem, right? Yes. Okay, very good. So have you seen this small, this size, this much size small fruit in neem, right? Tell me. This small fruit in neem, we don't eat it, hai na? We don't eat it. Yes or no? Right? But do you know that we can eat it, right? We can eat it, right? Nothing will happen, right? We can eat it. I have eaten it. I've tasted it, by the way. It doesn't taste that good, right? Okay, it doesn't taste that good. That's why we are not eating it, right? So someone who tried, okay, it doesn't taste good, so okay, it's not a fruit, right? Yeah, it is very bitter. In the same way, it is observation. Hypotenuse is basically hypotenuse is this length, right? This side, the opposite side of 90 degree, or the longest side of a right angle triangle is called as hypotenuse. It's a name given. Okay, Indu, it is a name given. Okay, right? Yes, it looks like grapes. Okay, right? It is sweet and bitter. It is sweet and bitter. Okay, right? Chalo, okay. Okay. Now, I hope all of you know this. All of you know this. समझ में आ गया ये, right? So can we do one concept check? Can we do one concept check? So let us do one concept check. Everyone, let us do one concept check. And you must be thinking, sir, ये क्या हो गया सर अचानक फिजिक्स पढ़ाते पढ़ाते मैथ्स पढ़ाने लग गए? Because it is used in physics, right? When you talk about physics, right? Physics and maths are interrelated. है ना? ठीक है? Yes, you cannot eat karela raw, na, right? Some people do that, but yeah, not most of the normal people, right? Normal people do not do that. है ना? H2, it's not H2. I'll tell you, right? I'll tell you. This is a square. I'll tell you what's the meaning of square. I guess last class I have discussed now what's the meaning of square. In last maths class, I've discussed it, right, everyone? In last maths class, yes or no? Right? है ना? Number system जब पढ़ा रहा था मैं, example 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So this is 2 square. Yes or no? Right? Yes, है ना? Yes, science and maths are always interrelated. So got it? This is a square, this is a power. ठीक है? This is a power. So let us do one concept check. Let us do one concept check. Okay, think about it. Concept check. So suppose I'm having a right angle triangle. I'll give you a right angle triangle. ठीक है? Everyone, focus here. I'll give you a right angle triangle like this. ठीक है, I'll give you a right angle triangle. ठीक है, think about it, step by step. No hurry, no hurry. This is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, suppose this length is 3 unit, right? 3, and this is your 4. Can you find the length of this unit? Tell me. This is A, this is B, this is C. Can you find AC? The question is AB is equal to 3 unit. 3. BC is equal to 4 unit. Can you find AC? Right? Step by step. Step by step. H2, obviously H2 is water. That is something else. That's a representation. Tell me, step by step. Think about it. Right? Think about it. I told you, sir, this is PAP, sir. This is PAP. Those all saying 7, you are doing PAP. Right? है ना? Tell me. जो 7 बोल रहा है आंसर वो पाप कर रहा है कि नहीं पाप कर रहा है? पाप नहीं करना है. Right? हिंदू पाप नहीं करना है ना? तेजस्विनी, right? 12, no. Think about it, sir. First, we will use what? Pythagoras theorem, right? Concept. Yeah, this is a concept check. So let us see the solution. Sir, concept, right? What is AB? Sir, AB is equal to base. Ayana. So AB is equal to base. Step by step. That's how we process, right? That is how we process the information. Okay, right? So AB is base. What is BC? So BC is perpendicular. What is AC? So AC is hypotenuse, right? So we will use what concept is, sir? We will use Pythagoras theorem. This is called as Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. है ना? And what is this Pythagoras theorem? So this. So I can say, sir, h square is equal to b square plus p square. And square means multiply 2 times. है ना? Square means multiply 2 times. Step by step, everyone, step by step. So can I say, so h square is equal to, what is b? So it is 3 square plus what is p? So 4 square. So what is 3 square? So it is 3 into 3 plus 4 square is 4 into 4. Ayana, this is h square. Now what is 3 into 3, guys? Tell me. I'll just stop over here. And take your time. What is 3 into 3? Tell me, what is 3 into 3? I'll take your time, right? You have to learn this, Hannah. Just don't accept the fact. Ask. Okay? Right, very good. Very good. So I can say, so 3 into 3 is 9. What is 4 into 4? What is 4 into 4? Yes, very good. 4 into 4 is very good. 16. Ayana, very good. What is 9 plus 16? Tell me, what is 9 plus 16? What is 9 plus 16? 25. Right? Yes, very good. Very good. But sir, h is equal to not 10, 24. It is h square is equal to 24, 25. Yes or no? H square is equal to 25, not h. Clear है? हाँ चलो, ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Step by step, धीरे धीरे प्रोसेस बिल्ड करेंगे, समझेंगे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझेंगे. Okay, right? Sir, this is h square is equal to 25. And what is 25? Can I say, sir, 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. हाँ ना? 5 into 5. Right? Yes. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this? यहाँ पे समझ में आ रहा है? Right? Tell me. यहाँ पे समझ में आ रहा है? So h square is equal to what? Can I say? So it is 5 square. Can I say h square is equal to 5 square? हाँ या ना? Step by step. आराम से सीखेंगे. नहीं समझ में आएगा पूछेंगे. Right? नहीं समझ आएगा फिर पूछेंगे. नहीं समझ में आया फिर पूछेंगे. Right? But हर बार ये पूछेंगे अपने आप से कि मुझे क्या नहीं समझ में आया. हाँ या ना? अब बताओ. Right? Think about it. No, divide नहीं करना सिंचना. Divide नहीं करना है. Guys, wait, my internet got disconnected. Just give me a minute. My internet got disconnected, guys. Just give me a minute. Due to, I guess, due to bad weather. Okay, I'm having lots of net issues. Okay, right, this is clear? Yes. हाँ, स्क्वायर रूट अगेन हम लोग अभी स्क्वायर रूट नहीं जानते ना, राइट? अभी स्क्वायर रूट नहीं जानते तो हम लोग, ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके. नाउ लेट अस सी. सो एक चीज बताओ, इफ आई एम हैविंग टू एप्पल, if 2 apple is equal to 2 mango, then can I say, sir, apple is equal to mango? हाँ या ना? Tell me yes or no. Very simple. समझो, I'm not asking you to this. Yes, yes, Indu. Yes, Indu. Can I say this? 2 apple is equal to a mango. Tell me, क्या दिक्कत है? काट सकता हूँ ना? Yes or no? Can I do that? Leela, wait. I'll explain. I'll explain. Or I'll just give you one more example. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Right? If I'm having this, 5 into 5 is equal to h into h. Tell me, 5 into 5 is equal to h into h. What is h? Tell me. जिया, मैं पढ़ाऊंगा स्क्वायर रूट कैसे निकालते हैं, है ना? वो मैथ्स क्लास में लोग सीखेंगे. अभी के लिए बस लिखेंगे, अभी हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे नहीं. 5 into 5 is equal to h into h. So can I say h is equal to 5? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Think about it. Yes or no? Right? है ना? Yes or no? Yes. So can I say, sir, h is equal to 5? Agree? Agree? ठीक है, very good, very good. Right? It's not h is equal to h square. ठीक है? It is that same होता है ना, इसीलिए. So the concept here, and note, यहाँ पे एक note कर लेना जो मैथ्स में लोग पढ़ेंगे. Right? Concept of square root. So if h square is equal to, suppose a, then h is equal to a to the power 1 by 2, and it's called a square root of a. Right? ये हम लोग मैथ में पढ़ेंगे. We will study later. Right? We'll study later. Study later. ठीक है? Right? In maths. Okay? Right? No, Canada, we won't be playing Kahoot today because we won't be completing that much topic for Kahoot. ठीक है? So I hope everyone understood what is distance. Yes, just answer is 5. Answer is 5. So AC is equal to 5. This is equal to 5. ठीक है? Clear हो गया सबको? We will be using this. That's why. Okay? है ना? So let us solve one more problem. Let us solve one more problem. Concept check. Okay, everyone, think about it. Think about it. Everyone, think about it. Okay, सब कुछ सोचना. Okay, Mridula, I'll explain once more. I'll explain with one more example. But everyone, think about it, right? Suppose, okay, suppose everyone think about it. Suppose this is your Avengers headquarter, right? This is your Avengers headquarter. Suppose, right? Because Shreya, it is maths and physics are always interrelated. Okay, right? If you learn actual physics, na, right? Because you guys have not studied actual physics, you know, just theory padhe ho, hai na? Right? Okay, hai na? But when you talk about actual physics is 40-50% maths, right? Or sometimes depending on which class you're talking about, hai na? It is more maths. And because what is physics? Tell me, what is physics? We have already studied. It is the observation. So observation को हम लोग experiment करेंगे, calculate करेंगे, तभी तो proof करेंगे ना? Yes or no? Right? Okay. इंदु स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट का कॉन्सेप्ट ही अलग है, बट हम लोग देखेंगे. अभी यहाँ ध्यान दो. Suppose this is Avengers headquarter, and suppose some villain came here, right? Some villain came here. Villain came here. Okay. This distance is suppose 200 meter, 200 meter. And this distance is suppose 150 meter, 150 meter. Everyone think about it. This is 200 meter, this is 150 meter. Think about it. Right? Now, right, we have two superheroes. We have, in one case, we have Iron Man, right? In one case, we have Captain America, right? Captain America. So Iron Man can fly, Ayana. Think about it. Yes or no? Iron Man can fly. I hope everyone know who is Iron Man, right? Okay, right? Anna, Tony Stark, yes. So Iron Man will go from this point. How Iron Man will go? Tell me how Iron Man will go. Tell me, right? How Iron Man will go? Tell me. Will he go from this side? Will he go like this, A to B and then B to C? Right? This is a road. This is a road. Right? No, no, sir. No, obviously not. He can just fly. Ayana. Sir, Iron Man just fly. He can just fly. So he will fly like this. Yes or no? He will just fly like this. Okay? Right? What about Captain America? Tell me, what about Captain America? What Captain America will do? Sir, Captain America cannot fly. So he will take the road. He will go from A to B and B to C. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? Suppose समझ में आ रहा है? He will run, है ना? So he will run. Obviously, he'll run on the road only. ठीक है? So tell me, if I ask question A, what is the distance covered by Captain America? Tell me. Captain America. Tell me, everyone. Step. बताओ. Easy, very easy. Very good, Aditya. Correct. Very good, Pratik. Very good. Very good, Tanushri. Very good. Everyone is giving correct answer. Very good. Easy. Anna, sir. So distance covered is total length of the path taken, right? So I can say so distance by Captain America. Distance by Captain America is equal to length of AB plus BC, which is equal to 200 plus 150. So this is equal to what? So 350. Yes or no? Ayana. Right? Okay. Okay. Right. Very good. Aditya, the class will end at normal time. No? Class will end at 8:35, 8:40. Right? 8:35, 8:40 we will end the class. Right? Okay. Okay. Now, if I ask you second question, B, what is the distance covered by? What is the distance covered by Iron Man? Tell me. Iron Man. Right? No, it is not. Okay. Yes, very good. Yes, correct. Very good, correct, Ananya. Now, I hope all of you understood why we studied that. Tell me, how many of you understood, sir, why we studied this Pythagoras theorem, right? Without Pythagoras theorem, can we solve this problem? Tell me. Without Pythagoras theorem, can we solve this problem? No, no, right? So I hope all of you understood that why we studied this, right? Because why should be there? So I can say, sir, the distance covered by Iron Man is your Happyton news, right? And we know that AC squared is equal to what? No, it is not 200, right? It is AB squared plus BC squared. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Right? Okay. Okay. So AC squared is equal to what? AB squared, which is guys, 200 squared plus 150 squared. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. So I hope all of you are very good in math calculation now. So 200 into 200. So it is, tell me, 400, right? 150 into 150. Sir, we know 15 into 15. Kitna hota hai? Sir, it is 25. 1 into 2 is 2, 225. And 2 zeros laga do. है ना, right? और यहाँ पे भी 2 zeros लगा दो. Okay, so it is what? No, not 400, nah, not 400, right? It is 40,000, right? है ना, 200 into 200, 4 zero would be there. Plus here it would be 22500. Yes or no? So it is what? 62500. Yes or no? यहाँ सबको समझ में आया? Yes, 40,000 plus 22,500. So this is AC squared, right? Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? So what is 25 into 25? Tell me, what is 25 into 25? Again, maths is there, right? Maths is there. Those who say that maths use nahi hota hai, they will lie, है ना? So 5 into 5, again 25, 6 into, sorry, 2 into 3, 6. Yes, very good, right? So it is what? 250 into 250. AC square is equal to. Everyone is getting this? Tell me step by step. Everyone is getting this? Tell me, everyone is getting this? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this? एक concept सीखेंगे और अच्छे से सीखेंगे. Yes? So can we say, sir, AC is basically 250 meter? हाँ या ना? So distance covered by Iron Man is 250 meter. Yes or no? Distance covered by Iron Man is 250 meters. Anyone have any doubt in this? 25 to 25 is 625. Na? We studied na 2 into 3. Yes or no? Guys, it is again Indu. 200 square is 200 into 200, not 200 plus 200. समझ में आया Indu? Right? 200 square is 200 into 200, not 200 plus 200. And 150 square is 150 into 150, not 150 plus 150. ठीक है? Okay? Got it? Leela, this is what I said, na Leela, right? We just added this 40,000 plus 20,500. We got 62,500, hai na? And 62,500 is basically what? So, sir, this is 2 zeros. The 2 zeros. I can actually think, sir, right? 16. You just have to prime factorize this 625. So you will get 25 to 25. Okay? If you just prime factorize, I'll tell you, right? If you prime factorize 625, prime factorize 625, so it is what? 5. Then it is 125. Then again 5. That is 25. So you will get what? 5 into 5, 25 into 25. Yes or no? Ayana, tell me, yes or no? Can I say yes, sir? I can get it, sir. How come AC is 350 Pranav? Think about it, na? I've already told you that this is पाप. This is पाप. ये पाप है. जो 350 बोल रहा है वो ये कर रहा है. H is equal to 200 plus 150. No, it is not correct. It is wrong. It is पाप. Yes or no? This is not how the sides of triangle works. Yes or no? Ayana. Okay. Right? See, guys, multiplication. That's why I taught you multiplication, hai na? That's why I taught you multiplication. You guys need to practice. So what I'll do is I'll send one book on multiplication, hai na? Shortcut multiplication, right? So you guys can just practice that, and we'll be having one Kahoot test also on based on that. ये सबको समझ में आ गया? Tell me, everyone got till this point? Everyone got till this point? Yes or no? Right? So I will give again. I guess this is understood, right? This is understood. So we have studied some considerable concepts now. So now we can give assignments, hai na? So now after this, I'll give you assignments. So we understood what is the concept of distance, right? What is the, I'll send it. No, don't worry. What's the concept of distance, right? What is the Pythagoras theorem? ये हम लोगों ने पढ़ा. So tell me, what is the shortest path? Tell me, what is the shortest path from A to C? Tell me. What is answer is 250 na? Distance covered by Captain America is 350 because it is AB plus BC, right? But distance covered by Iron Man is just AC. He flew. So shortest path is AC. Yes or no? Shortest path is AC. Yes, correct. है ना? Yes or no? ठीक है? Got it, everyone? Right? Everyone got this? Very good, Tanushree. Very good, Pratik. Okay, right? So I guess this is much enough for this. So what we need to practice, right? Homework. I'll tell you homework. What I will be giving homework. Okay. So homework would be right, multiplication, fast wala, some concept of number system, and ye distance displacement wala, right? So I'll give you 15 problems, 15 problems, and multiplication I will give you more problems. Okay. So can you do this? Today, I won't be giving today. I'll give you tomorrow. Today, revise. Today, just revise. I'll give you the notes. Okay. Right? Indu, I'll give you question. Don't worry. I'll give you question. Okay. I'll give you question. Yes, I'll give you. Okay. Yes, exactly, Ananya. Hai na? A to C is shorter than, right? Hai na? So obviously, the shortest path is taken by Iron Man. Very good. Okay. Samjho. So I'll send this recordings. Watch it once, try to understand the concept, make notes. I hope all of you are making notes. Okay, chalo. Right, Bindu? Right, Priya? है ना? Okay, chalo. Bye, everyone. Have your dinner. Right? Okay? Chalo. Bye, bye. Bye, Rachna. सबको समझ में आया ना? Right? Chalo. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye, bye. Yes. Okay. Very good. Good night, everyone.